Hello, I'm Rob Hayes, President and CEO of Ashford Hospitality Trust. We recently reported our earnings from the first quarter of 2023, so I thought it would be helpful to provide some details from our earnings release and call. First, we are very pleased with the strong operating performance we achieved in the first quarter. Comparable RevPAR for all hotels during the quarter increased year over year by 29.5% on a 10.5% increase in comparable ADR and a 17.2% increase in comparable occupancy. Adjusted EBITDA was $75.6 million for the quarter, reflecting a growth rate of 88% over the prior year quarter. Adjusted funds from operations, AFFO, was 19 cents per diluted share for the quarter compared to negative 4 cents for the prior year quarter. Secondly, our liquidity and cash position continue to be strong. We ended the quarter with approximately $442 million of net working capital. We feel well positioned for our remaining debt extension tests in 2023 and continue to have access to undrawn capital if needed via our strategic financing. In addition, the majority of our hotels are now out of their respective cash traps, and only 40% of our hotels remain in cash traps under their respective loans, compared to 79% at the end of the fourth quarter of 2022. Further, the hotels that are now out of their respective cash traps generated approximately 70% of the company's full year 2022 hotel EBITDA. Finally, the capital raising for our non-traded preferred is ramping up nicely and increased over 400% from the previous quarter, having raised approximately $21.5 million of gross proceeds to date, including $9.1 million in March and $8.1 million in April. We believe this offering provides us with an attractive cost of capital and allows us to actively grow our portfolio over time, subject to future market conditions. Our preference is to use this capital for future growth, though we may also use some of the capital to pay down debt and improve our capital structure as needed. We expect this fundraising momentum to accelerate as we get further into 2023. We are excited about the progress we are making at Ashford Trust, both operationally and financially, and we look forward to keeping you updated in future quarters.